This is the 04 Acura TSX, and I replaced the old OEM intake pipe with a generic one. And after 2-3 years, look at what the generic one does. All correct. So I wasted my money on it, and from this lesson I learned don't buy any generic, buy the OEM instead. So I bought the OEM from Honda or Acura to replace this one. Right, so I'll show you how to do it. First I will do is remove the air box to cover the air box. It hold by force bowl right there, and then down there. Okay. Second thing to do, I will remove this. I lost the clip, so it's pretty easy for me just to remove this. Just pull it out, and this pipe, this hole, just pull it out. Next I will do is loosen the clip here. Unplug the sensor. Okay, and you can pull this one out with your hand. Because it's plastic, be careful, don't damage it. Okay, this is the sensor with the clip. The last thing is to loosen this clamp right there. Down here. So you can zoom in. It's a Phillips screwdriver. Pull out the whole thing, pretty loose. Right, the whole thing loose. It came off. Make sure you don't lose these things. Need a new filter. Holding the pipe in the airbox, there's a spring here. Try to use the small one like this for your eyeglasses, the screwdriver. And there's a hook right there. And try to take it out. Like that, and slowly to remove it from, but don't break it from the airbox. Okay, remove the clip. Here you go. Here's how the hook look like. Now with the spring removed, pretty easy. Oh, this thing came off. All broken. Okay, rip this off from the box. See how all broken. This is generic, cheap stuff. So don't forget to remove this. Pretty easy to get a screwdriver. Take these out. So here's the OEM. Here's the generic. See the big differences. Let me open up the box. The quality differences, big difference. look about the same, but look, the back is all worn out. So okay, I'm going to replace it. Throw this in the trash. Okay, before you throw this away, make sure you have all this part right there. Okay, otherwise it's in the trash. Missing this part is not complete. And replace, put all this part to here. Okay, first this one, pretty simple. Tighten it a little bit. It's good. Second, the sensor. Put this in first. Make sure this on the top. Because when you clip it, it's on the top. Yeah, when you install the clip, make sure the back cover that too, like that. Next, this thing goes in here. Okay, this is the air box. This is the hose. This point that direction. This point this upward. And you see here. I think right here goes right there. Last thing is the I think this is the most difficult one, and put it back here. Okay, I use my plier, 2 of them, and go around it. See if I can put them together. Put the hook together. Yep, that's how you do it. How you hook it together. You see that? So that's the only way to do it. So it's tight. All right. That's the air filter. Next thing is put this hose in here. And here goes in here. Okay, in. Plug the sensor. And tighten the screw here. Don't need to be too tight enough. Next thing I'm going to do is hold this one. It should go all the way in. Yeah, to put this thing back in here pretty tough. I think easier to remove this. Push the zoi in and the clip down there. Just push this back. That's it. Tighten the screw. Things sound normal. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.